We wanted to gather here today for the kickoff because very soon demolition begins and the work really begins. Ever since the Community Foundation and the city announced that we were going into partnership to create something new here, history in the remaking, I cannot tell you how many people have come to me to tell me stories about this train depot. And we want to carry that history with us into the future of this building. Because really, we realize that the rail, the old rail, the Atlantic Coast Depot and the rail that ran through this is what connected our region. This is what brought people together. It's what connected people through the mail. It's what connected people with visitors and places that they needed to go and the things that they wanted to accomplish. And more as we learn about this history, that becomes even more evident to me. So the Community Foundation and all the partners involved, we want to honor that history, but we want to look towards the future. We want to create the new rail, the new connectivity in our region, the new place where people come together, the new place where things can happen. The Southwest Florida Community Foundation and all its partners are creating a collaboratory, a hub, the new rail that will connect people through technology, through ideas, through experts and residents, and through each of you. We want to create a space where ideas, technology, people, and power come together. But it isn't just about these four walls. I want you to not just vision the collaboratory with walls, but I want you to envision a space that's virtual without walls. All of the technology in the building will allow live streaming, live capture, the sharing of information, the partnership with Florida Lambda Rail, which gives us high-speed broadband access and access to research and data that's never been available to the nonprofit or the private community before, will be available to be shared region-wide. No longer do people have to come to a place to be part of something bigger. As our whole team likes to say, and I'd like to close with this, and we even have at the podium, we end a lot of meetings, a lot of things that we do when we're ready to start something special. Everybody join me and say, here we go. Thank you, everybody.